Here's your news update at 3 p.m. The inauguration of Walvis Bay Salt's new salt warehouse at the Walvis Bay port took place last night. Andre Snyman, managing director of Walvis Bay Salt Holding, stated that they currently export to 15 countries internationally. He also noted that the export tariffs imposed during Trump's administration have negatively impacted their export operations. Have a look.
Walvis Bay Salt was established in 1964 and we celebrated 60 years last year. So over all the years the company has grown steadily and we managed to open new export markets to no less than 15 countries internationally. We export to 15 countries internationally. One of the biggest challenges the company is facing at the moment is the fact that one of our biggest clients in the US is now, and the US market is negatively impacted by Mr. Trump's tariffs that was implemented a while ago, and our exports to the US has come to a halt. It stopped. We had on our order book from our client 4 more vessels that was supposed to be exported this year. It came to a halt.
I have now the honor, together with the MD and the Mayor of Walvis Bay, by cutting the ribbon as a symbolize that the operation of this warehouse is commencing, and congratulations.